YouTube fam, and welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title, we are back with the extra large jumbo box braids. My sister-in-law wanted to run this style back, but she wanted to do a different color. So by the thumbnail, y'all can tell we are doing this fire red. Last time she did like more of a maroon with the red tips, but this time she wanted to do all the way red, and she wanted them a little bit longer. So we decided to use the 52-inch expression hair. You'll be able to find that hair in my Amazon storefront. That link will be down below in the description box, so check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. As y'all know, we are all family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Make sure y'all let me know down below how y'all are doing. If y'all have watched the previous video over my XXL box braids, y'all know my sister-in-law loves big braids, y'all. Like, the bigger the better to her. If she could get these braids even bigger than this, I definitely think she would. I do have a style in mind that I think I'm going to try on her, and I will record it for you guys. But as y'all know, I start on clean hair, so I'm just sectioning her off right now. I like to go ahead and pre-part because it makes it so much easier than doing them one by one. So this style literally took us a little over an hour from start to finish. It's a really quick style. So if you're looking for something that's super simple and quick to get in and out, this will definitely be the style for you. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and watch the previous video that I created on these extra large box braids. I will also link that down below in the description box, so check that out. Also, I know my videos over here are sped up, so if you want the real-time videos, go ahead and head on over to my Patreon and become a member. Over there you will be able to request any hairstyle that you like. It's basically like taking a virtual class, and I will definitely get that up for you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me and for supporting me this far. We have come so far, you guys. Like, we are all a family. I consider us all family. So I really love y'all, and I really appreciate y'all so much for everything that y'all do, from the comments to subscribing to liking the videos. All of that is greatly appreciated. Right here, you'll see me go back and section off just a little bit more hair to add to the side. I try to keep my parts in my boxes as even as possible. So I just went back and added a little bit more hair in, which is perfectly fine. I like to keep my parts in my boxes as straight as possible, as you guys know already. But total, I believe we had 14 braids. When we were done, I tried to count them for you guys. Also, I know in the previous video, a lot of people asked if you had to crochet their hair in like I just did, and you definitely do not. It's optional. I crochet that piece of hair in because she want her braids to look so full. That helps me in gripping the braid. Now, that is definitely optional. If you're able to hold all the hair in your hand and braid it like that, you can do so. I just prefer to do that. Another question that I received was, do you have to use the rubber bands? And that is also optional. I've done these braids with and without the rubber bands, and it's totally up to you. If you don't want to use the rubber bands and you can, grip the hair just fine, you don't have to. I just prefer to do them. I do the rubber band method on the larger braids because it holds all the hair together for me. One tip that I do have for the ones that want to use the rubber bands is to soak your rubber bands in a little oil, and that will help prevent breakage. Also, do not put those rubber bands too tight, and it is perfectly fine to ask your client if it's too tight. If it's too tight, loosen it up before you even start braiding, because as y'all know, tension on top of tension causes what? Breakage. So make sure you're not putting that rubber band too tight. Okay, y'all, I'm done talking. If y'all have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave it down below in the comment section, and I will definitely reply to all of you guys. I thank y'all again, and I love y'all so much. Until the next video, peace.